Hi there everyone, welcome to Wednesday. I hope you're all okay. To all 567 family members, thank you so much. It means the world, makes everything worthwhile. I'm going to do another taste test today. And this one is from Asda. And it's a seafood selection. Responsibly sourced mussels, seafood and king prawns. As you can see, it's £2, two for a fiver, making them £2.50 each, or £2.75 if you only buy the one. In here there is a mixture of defrosted cooked mussel meat, crab flavoured shaped and formed surimi fish, protein and peeled and cooked king prawns. Your warnings for this one are mollusks, fish, egg, wheat, crustacean, 40% mullet, 40% surimi bites, Alaskan pollock and 32% fish. Your nutritional information, should you wish to stop and read it, is right there. So, let's have a look. Just put them into the dish. And I have to say, they smell absolutely delightful. They really do. And there they are, folks. The seafood selection. Right, just a quick thing here. I just need to get a spoon. I'm sorry, I'm slacking this morning. If you'd like to make a homemade seafood sauce, it's quite easy. Get a dish, add a little tomato sauce, maybe a tablespoon. There we are, a tablespoon of tomato sauce, a tablespoon of mayo, there we go, a small dash of Worcester sauce, or if you like me, Hendos. You can't beat Hendos, far better than Worcester sauce, which is Hendersons of course, but there we go. From my roots of Sheffield. And optional, a little bit of lemon juice. And there we go. Mix it all together. Until you get the desired consistency and colour. And you can always tell what if you need anything of the extras, and this one needs some more mayo. And there we have a very simple, very easy to make seafood sauce. Right, once again I'm being unprofessional. Hey, that's me. Here are the items. That of course is what you'll probably more commonly known as a crab stick. and that is absolutely delightful. A real taste of the ocean. There is a prawn, as you can see. Oops. There, of course, is a mussel. Absolutely beautiful. It really is. Try some in the sauce. The sauce is absolutely beautiful. It really is. I'll just show you a prawn with some on. But to be fair, for me, it doesn't need anything. It's beautiful. Times like this I wish I lived by the sea. Apart from the crab sticks, of course, I've always believed if you live by the sea there's such a bounty of free food out there. If you can be bothered to go and catch it, of course. And I'd be out there most days fishing. And collecting these delights, these mussels, they're absolutely beautiful. If anyone hasn't tried mussels, give them a go. They're absolutely excellent. I know they don't look the nicest of things, but they are beautiful. The meatiness of them is amazing. And even the crab sticks, whatever they're made of, Alaskan pollock, surimi. They've just got that lovely taste that reminds me of the sea. They really have. Prawns speak for themselves. Really good. Really good. Is it worth the £2.75 on its own? Yeah, it really is. There are more than enough in this pack here for a starter for 2 people. And absolutely no complaints whatsoever. I think they're absolutely amazing. And there it is again. The seafood selection from Asda. The older I get, the more and more I lean to seafood. It always seems to have that fresh flavour about it. And there is a lot of flavour. Where I find in a lot of other products these days that the flavour seems to have been bred out or produced out of them. I am really enjoying this. But as always, you don't want to watch an old bald man eating seafood to the end, which I will do. So at this point, my family and friends, I will say to you, if you've liked what you've seen, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and above all, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please feel free to do so. It'll cost you absolutely nothing, helps the channel grow, and we become part of a bigger community. And on that note, as always, from a very delightful seafood selection here and me, namaste. And may your God go with you. Bye bye for now, everyone.